Welcome viewers, welcome back to your channel Vastranand. In today's video, like every other time, I'm going to show you some stunning sarees, and this one is going to be perfect for any traditional occasion. I mean, look at the colors, look at the patola style, and let me tell you, the fabric is also stunning. Look at the pleats, sit so well. Takes almost no time to drape because the fabric is gonna be best quality. I'll give you all the details. Stay with us throughout the video till the end because I'll be showing you colors in this particular design. So before we begin, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, do all of this to enjoy best videos and best collection window shopping from Vastranand. So let us begin with our very first color. I love this color. Okay, frankly speaking, I was confused of which color should I be wearing for this video because every color is beautiful. See, we have this shade which is gonna be green. Then we have blue, two colors in blue. One is darker blue, one is lighter blue. Pink is the one that I am wearing. Every color looks beautiful. Beginning with green over here. First, I'll come a little closer, give you the details of the design. So, firstly, let me show you the border. This is going to be the border design filled with zari weaving. This is going to be golden zari work. You'll find trees and this is the design concept. Now, talking about patola. So, there's a very nice golden shine in the fabric, if you guys can see in the video. But believe me, it looks very beautiful to human eye if I say directly. I hope this is visible in the video to you guys. Very nice shine, and it is going to be patola print. You can find white color, you can find red with green, you're going to find yellow. So lovely colors all together. And the border on the top is going to be like this with flowers. Okay, so now I'll just move back and give you guys the entire view of the saree, beginning with the pallu. So this is gonna be your very rich pallu filled with golden zari weaving. I love the shine. At the end, you'll find tassels like this, which is gonna be maroon in color. Now, when you move ahead, this is the patola saree, and now telling you the fabric. The fabric is gonna be Softy. Yes, the name of the fabric itself is Softy. Very soft, very fluid. I'll show with you making a few pleats on the spot in front of your eye and give you a proof that it is so easy and quick to be worn. You need no other person to help you in setting your pleats. Yes, I'll just make a few pleats. The fabric is going to be very, very comfortable, lightweight. You can wear this 24 hours. You know, generally when you wear heavy sarees, you can't wear it for more than 10 hours. But this one is going to be very comfortable. Look at the pleats. I mean, is this not the enough proof? Sits so perfectly. I almost did not use other hand to even set it. This is the pleat that I get with just one hand. So such a beautiful fabric you're gonna get. And now let me just show you the blouse quickly. This is gonna be your red blouse with golden zari weaving. Blouse also giving a very nice shine. I am fascinated, very happy with this catalog. Perfect for wedding, for reception, for pujas, or for any festivals coming up. Now giving you the next color, which is gonna be darker blue, and the color combination with this is gonna be red and green, which is not a proper red. It is gonna be a very deep pink color, very dark pink color. So let's just open this and see how beautiful it is. Here comes your rich pallu again with zari weaving. You're gonna find dark pink tassels like this. Moving ahead, the combination of blue and pink over here comes out beautifully. So this is a very lovely patola art from Gujarat, giving a very, very nice look to your entire saree. And then the blouse with this one is gonna be a dark pink blouse again with golden zari work. Now let me quickly show you the color that I am wearing. So the one that I am wearing is going to be a combination of pink with Rama color. So this is going to be Rama color, beautiful. Let me show you the pallu. I loved the Rama color especially in this. This is going to be a pallu and this is the entire look of this sari. Looks so beautiful. The shine is so lovely. Just love it. Now the next color that I'm going to show you is going to be combination of light blue, pink and dark blue. So let's open this one. Guys, if you've loved this sari collection, I'm sure you have loved it. So now let me tell you how can you shop for it. I already told you in the start of the video, download our application. So do it that right now. Download our application Vastranand. Works for both iOS and Android, and that is where you can get your shoppings done. Go and hunt for the sari over there. It is going to be Softy fabric, Patola, and yes, you can select your favorite color in it. Also, second option is you can contact us on the contact number on your screen right now. Just give us a call, message, and we'll bring all the information to you regarding this sari and help your shopping get done. Now, second thing, which is the very important thing, we not only deal in retail orders but wholesale orders as well. So this is going to be pallu, the tassels, and this is the whole look of the sari. Well guys, do tell me in the comments which one is your favorite color from this catalog, because I am almost confused, and finally I chose this one, which is Rama and pink color. So you can tell me in the comments which is your favorite sari combination in this catalog. And with this, you will be getting this blue color blouse piece with golden zari work. So well guys, this is it with today's catalog. We'll surely come up with even better collection only for you guys because we love you, and thank you for sharing all your love and your support. See you soon. Bye-bye.